Now we will go into further confirmation with Camarilla pivots. All right. Now I will quickly explain how Camarilla pivots are useful. So हमेशा pivot जो है it is based on high, low and close upon 3, and based on that what happens is you get the support and resistance for buy. Okay, resistances for buy and supports for sell. All right. So neo trader में हमने क्या किया है, based on the in-depth study done by us and also some inferences from the book, what we saw was that आप कभी भी आप जाकर देखोगे Camarilla pivots के H4 levels are very very strong. All right. So कभी भी कोई भी stock once it is you can see here, ये सारे जो ग्रे कलर के लाइंस जो है यहाँ पे, जो ग्रे कलर के लाइंस है, these are the H4 levels and L4 levels. As you can see here, H4 levels and L4 levels. So ये H4 levels और L4 levels जो है, they act like a boundary. ओके, एक LOC की तरह है. नाउ ये जब बाउंड्री जब क्रॉस होगा, आप देखिए हमेशा यहां पर इट विल गेट स्टक, बट नाउ व्हेन इट इज एबल टू क्रॉस इट, you can see a movement. How many of you are able to understand कि H4 और L4 ये एक बाउंड्री की तरह है? Can you type CAM on the chat guys? अभी हम यहां पर कंफर्मेशन ले रहे हैं. हमने जो स्टॉक ढूंढा है, the stock which we have searched, now what is the confirmation which I am getting? So the moment it crosses H4, it gives me a very good indication that I can go long in that. Now in NeoTrader, okay, you can see here the moment it crosses, you get a trend. So now how does NeoTrader help in reading Camarilla? So जैसे कि I told you, in NeoTrader, what we have done is we have identified various levels. So like I told you, you have got multiple levels, right? But we are concentrating on mainly 3 levels. All right. So level number 1. Okay. What is level number 1? Level number 1 is your H3. Okay. H3 पर ध्यान दे रहे हैं. Level number 2 हमारा उसके ऊपर है H4 और उसके ऊपर है H6. Clear? And the same way on the way down. So now based on the studies we have found that if prices were crossing this level, ठीक है, अगर H4 क्रॉस कर पाता है तो H6 तक जाने की संभावना है. Clear? So what we are doing is we are tracking it for you, and based on these 3 levels आपको अलग अलग टाइप के इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं. नाउ सपोज आई आस्क यू वेयर इज दिस स्टॉक, आपको स्टॉक ढूंढना पड़ेगा, आपको स्टॉक को चार्ट में डालना पड़ेगा, फिर आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद आपको ट्रेड लेना पड़ेगा. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री? हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू अग्री? प्लीज टाइप यस ऑन द चैट. राइट. अगर आपको ट्रेड लेना ही है तो आपको, अगर मैं बोलूं ये स्टॉक कहां पर है, आपको पता नहीं चलेगा. बट इन न्यू ट्रेडर हमने क्या किया है, हमने ये सारा चीज आपको, दैट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. अगर आप इस जमाने के ट्रेडर हैं, टेक्नोलॉजी की जरूरत है. ओके, टेक्नोलॉजी की जरूरत है. टेक्नोलॉजी को नीचे करा के, या डोंट लुक एट इट विथ नेगेटिव माइंडसेट. Technology, take help of technology because the world is changing at a very fast pace, and we are helping you to read important technical analysis tools faster. So now you can see here, for example, you can see if price has crossed H6, you will know. If price has crossed H4, you will know. Now in the similar way, we have also done other kinds of analysis where we tell you where it is. नाउ ओपन अबव H3 का मतलब क्या है? अगर खुलते ही if prices open with a certain positive bias and it is going above H3 means the chances are that it will continue. So how to deal with this I will be covering in the next workshop, but I'm just highlighting to you because all of you are curious to know. So now open above H4. Open above H4 is one of the most potent one, यानी इसमें पोटेंशियल बहुत ज्यादा है. क्यों? क्योंकि खुलते ही जो इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल जो है H4 या इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल जो है L4 उसके नीचे बंद दे दिया या उसके ऊपर बंद दे दिया, तो उसका मतलब क्या है? LOC के बाहर जाकर खड़ा हो गया. तो अगर इस तो किसके चांसेस सबसे ज्यादा है? The one which have crossed L4 or the one which have crossed H4. L4 is on the downside, H4 is on the upside. Clear everyone? So now when these stocks starts moving, you know that the biggest problem which all of us have in the market is that when the market opens, I don't know what to do. How many of you are in that boat? When the market opens, आपको ट्रेड तो लेना है, बट आपको पता नहीं कि कौन सा ट्रेड ले, राइट? वो चीज जो है आपको इस पेज से सॉल्व होगा. तो ओपन अबव H4 का मतलब क्या है? मैं एलओसी के बाहर जाकर खड़ा हो गया. एलओसी में जब तक है पूरी रेंज सीमित होगी, इट विल बी कंटेन्ड, बट वंस इट क्रॉसेस एलओसी द चांसेस ऑफ मूवमेंट इज मच फास्टर. So you can use Camaria on any time frame, but now I am choosing the weekly. Okay. Now, as you can see here, there are some rejection possibilities also, where like I said, it acts as resistance, it acts as support. Now, if it comes to a support and then it revives from there, it becomes a buy opportunity. All of this is going to be covered in the upcoming workshop. So please concentrate on what I'm sharing so that you will get an idea. So this is how we are tracking price action. You may be a price action trader, but then how to trade smartly? Hard work नहीं करना है. We don't have to work hard. We have to work smart. How many of you agree? Please type WS on the chat. We want to work smart. We want to work smarter. So now how to work smarter is what the entire focus is on. So now if you want to work smarter, in the Camaria page, we also have the levels. The levels are available every day. At the end of the day, you will get the levels for the next day. At the end of the week, you will get levels for the next week. आपको कहीं पर भी नहीं जाना है. नियो ट्रेडर के अंदर सब कुछ है. आपको सिर्फ आपका समय देना है, राइट? बिकॉज द टाइम इज योर्स. नाउ मी, माय सपोर्ट टीम एंड नियो ट्रेडर will help you make money. All right.